Dear student, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is an umbrella without color. This one is not your HW. You just practice at your home. Look at this. HW? No HW. So everyone remember this. No one send to school your HW. So everyone first draw straight line, okay, and then point the middle point and give another straight line like this. After that give this, okay, and then give 4 curved line, 1 2 3 4, and then erase these lines. Remember this to not forget. Decorate now and this. After that, if you want, you can give here twice like this, then twice like this. Erase these lines and give a smiley face, okay. After that, give these lines like this. Look, this line start from this point and end in this point. Start in this point and end in this point, okay. And finally give the another line for the handle and give like U and this. Give here. If you want, you can give twirl, okay. It looks so funny, isn't it? So this one is your HW. Without means, remember this, without color. That means not to do color. Just practice at your home by your free hand. No one will use scale or any kind of dice. So dear student, remember this one is not your HW, but practice at your home more and more time. So my dear student, practice at your home this umbrella and write down the topic name before draw. So no more today. Thank you.